Hey guys, welcome to another video on linear equations and relations. In this video, the goals are to recognise the point of intersection of two linear graphs as a solution to simultaneous equations and to use your CAS to find the point of intersection. So we're going to copy down some notes and finish exercise 3I, just like every other video. So if you look at these two equations here, there's a value for x and a value for y, which makes both of these equations true. In the first equation, if I said x is 3 and y is 3, that would make it true because 3 plus 3 is 6, and that makes the left-hand side equal to the right-hand side. But if I pick the value 3 and 3, the values 3 and 3 for the second equation, I'd have 2 lots of 3 plus 3 lots of 3, and that would give me 15 on this side, and that is not equal to 14. So when x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 3, it is not correct for both equations. It does not make both equations true. There is a value for x and a value for y, which makes both of these equations true. There are a few ways of working this out, but the quickest way is to graph both the equations. So if I type these equations into a graphing calculator, you can see here that I get a point of intersection. And that point of intersection is the solution for both of those equations. When x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. Okay? And we can test that. We can say when x is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So 6 is equal to 6, that's true. And 2 lots of 4 plus 3 lots of 2, we can test that that's equal to 14. 2 lots of 4 is 8, 3 lots of 2 is 6, 8 plus 6 is 14, so 14 is equal to 4, that's true. So when x is 4 and y is 2, that is a solution to those pairs of equations. Okay, so that's the first learning goal there, recognising that there is the answer to these two pairs of equations, 1 and 2. Okay, how would you work that out in your CAS? So if I open up my CAS, I'll move my little head up here, I'd go home and a new document, and I've got to go to add graphs because it's a graph I want to make. When you see this f1x, that's a way the calculator understands y. So f of x means y. That's the way the calculator thinks about the y variable. But you can, if you want to, just press backwards, delete, and click relation, and that allows you to type in your equation. So if I remember my equations correctly, I can go x plus y is equal to 6. There's the first one. Okay. And to bring up another equation or relationship, I just press tab. And the next one is 2x plus 3y is equal to 14. And you can see there that I've now graphed both of my linear equations. I can tell they're linear because they're both lines. If I want to find the point of intersection for those, I have to use another function on the calculator. I press menu, geometry, points and lines, menu, geometry, points and lines, intersection points. Then all I need to do is click on my two lines. If I do that, it shows me the point there for 4 and 2. X is 4, y is 2. Okay, so there's the two learning goals. Please contact your teacher if you're unsure about that at all, or email them, or via Zoom.